How to install Task Lighting's lighted power strip RM series with USB AC and DV series with USB AC, single circuit and dual circuit wiring. Whether you're installing a single circuit, dual circuit, or remote driver lighted power strip, the process is designed for efficient, code-compliant setup. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step installation process for all three types, pointing out key differences along the way. For installation, you'll need wire strippers, a drill, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a nut driver may also be helpful, and each unit comes with mounting screws and a Romex connector, along with a tool to open the cover. Before starting any electrical work, always turn power off at the panel. Ensure your power source is a 20-amp branch circuit protected by a GFCI, either at the panel or prior to connection. Carefully pry open the lighted power strip using the provided tool. Locate the knockout hole inside the back frame and insert your Romex connector. Pull the Romex wire into the fixture. Secure the lighted power strip to the bottom of your cabinet using pre-drilled mounting holes, or attach it to the wall using wall studs or anchors. Now it's time to connect the wires. In single circuit installations, both the lighting and receptacles operate on a single power source. Just connect one Romex cable, black to black, white to white, and ground all green wires to grounding studs in the back frame. The switch will control both the light and outlets. In dual circuit setups, use 2 Romex cables, one for the lighting circuit and one for receptacles. Connect black and white wires from each circuit to their respective fixture wires. Ground all green wires. The switch will control only the lighting, not the outlets. In remote driver installations, follow the same mounting process. For the 120-volt entry, connect black to black and white to white, and ground all green wires. Pull the low voltage wire from the remote driver into the knockout and connect black negative to black and red positive to red. The rest of the steps apply to each version. When connecting 2 or more fixtures, run Romex from fixture to fixture, connecting black to black, white to white, and grounding each section to the next. To terminate the last fixture in the run, cap all exposed wire ends with wire nuts. Snap the cover back into place, restore power at the panel, and enjoy your installed lighted power strip with USB AC. For questions, contact Task Lighting Design Services or visit tasklighting.com.